Hello, we're here with Linda.
Yes.
You have to talk a little.
1964 Fan Fantasy.
And
it's
she's
a bump over, or cab over as they call it.
And she's all decorated for Halloween. Okay, so Linda's going to show us inside.
Walk right in.
She's got a cute little rug here. I like these steps.
Yes, I do too.
Okay, so she's got a good air conditioner there because it's a hot day even though it's October. And a record player. Do you want to come in and you can just stand here next to me and tell me? I like this layout.
Yes, it's original. This is what you would have got in 1964 if you ordered it from the factory. Turquoise appliances. This is a closet over here.
Right here.
The bed turns into a dinette.
I love the curtains too. Is that bark cloth?
No, it's as close to bark cloth as I could get without buying the expensive.
Okay.
And the back door back there is the bathroom. You can open the door.
Okay, we'll see the bathroom.
And it's
got a little nightstand. I have that same fan.
You do?
Yeah, it's in my camper right now.
And there you go. Little shower in there.
There's our bathroom.
Right. And then this, yeah, I made the magnets for my state of Tennessee.
She's got storage underneath, and that's the fridge, and the original, this is all original turquoise?
All original turquoise. We're the sink, stove, oven, and refrigerator.
It's really nice.
Yeah. And then this in the front pulls out to a full-size bed.
So you have another bed, okay.
Another bed, and then of course you can sleep up at the top. If I move these, you can see that there's storage all the way to the window
pretty far
back.
So Linda is an antiquer, and she likes to collect the accessories that make it even more homey.
Yes.
And that's the furnace. Yep. And the mailbox.
Original screen door.
This is nice.
And the canvas is the original one that came
And
with
the
the
awning.
camper. The awning.
Okay. Watch my step here.
And her name is Lula May.
Lula May.
Lula May.
How much does it weigh? Do you know?
$25.50.
$25.50.
Unloaded. That's just the bare camper. $25.50.
All right. All right. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome, Doreen.
Happy camping.
Happy camping.
And there's the back. That's called a trunk back. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time.